You slide into the driver's seat on a hot afternoon, turn the key, and instead of your engine roaring to life, it just cranks endlessly while the transmission warning lamp and check engine light stare back at you. Pulling a P0669 trouble code means you are dealing with a high voltage reading on the internal temperature sensor circuit located deep inside your powertrain, engine, or transmission control module. Modern cars rely on massive computer brains to keep everything running, and just like your home laptop, these modules generate a ton of heat. To keep themselves from literally melting down, these computers have built-in temperature sensors. If the module detects an electrical signal from that sensor that is way higher than the normal operating range, it panics. It might stall the engine while you are driving, refuse to start altogether, or force your automatic transmission to shift incredibly harsh to protect itself. This code is tricky because your first instinct might be to assume the entire computer is completely fried and needs to be replaced. Do not make that incredibly expensive mistake without checking the absolute basics first. A computer is only as smart as the power and ground it receives. I cannot tell you how many times a corroded ground strap connecting the engine block to the chassis has caused bizarre internal computer codes like this one. You need to locate every single ground wire attached to your control modules and physically unbolt them. Scrub the metal terminals with a wire brush until they shine, and bolt them back down tight. Next, carefully inspect the massive wiring harness plugs going into the computer. Water intrusion from a clogged windshield cowl drain can easily soak these connectors, creating a bridge of corrosion between the pins that completely scrambles the temperature sensor voltage. Grab your digital multimeter and verify that the computer is getting its correct reference voltage, which on many systems is around 9 volts, though you should always check your specific factory service manual. You want to see exactly 0 ohms of resistance on your ground circuits with the power off. If your wiring is absolutely flawless, the ground straps are perfect, and the connectors are dry, then you are unfortunately looking at an internal hardware failure, which means you will have to get a new or remanufactured control module and have it specially programmed to your specific vehicle.